Hello beautiful people, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having an amazing time. We're going to hit the charts for Bitcoin, see what's going to happen. I'm going to show you altcoins, stock markets as well. Hit the subscribe button, join 70,000 people down there on your phone, smash up the thumbs up button. I was just at an event. There's a lot of crypto events happening in Dubai right now. I was at the AIB summit until the 23rd of this month. Then on the 24th there's another one. I was with Altcoin just today, which is awesome. Hit the subscribe. Let's jump in technicals for Bitcoin now. So now technicals, the overall stock market was pulling back quite a bit today. Coinbase down 5%, 4.8, Uber down 4%, Boeing 3.6. But let's jump into the charts for Bitcoin. On the daily, we're pulling back. Actually, as I was saying yesterday, unfortunately, I should have kept the longs. I was thinking that we do pull back to the 39k and take all the liquidity down here at the 38,000. That seems to be happening now, 39,000. But the orders have actually moved up, which is good. Before it was lower. EMA ribbons on the daily, where the EMA ribbons are trying to turn to head up. We're trying to get a bottom here. VPVR, the most orders are down here at the 38,000, 39,000. So that's why I think we can drop down, take the liquidity, and then start to move up. Take all the orders down there. Stochastic is overbought, heading down. Let's go into the 4 hourly to see what's going to happen for the next few days. Stochastic is bottomed and trying to turn up. We had a big spike down the last 4 hours. What a big movement on Bitcoin. Look at that. We had a movement from 41,100 to 40,700. Not so much, $1,000 movement. But look at these big wicks down and then a big recovery. These are hammer candles. Hammer candles are usually saying that there's a lot of volume, a lot of buy orders pushing it up. So on the 4 hourly, we're actually quite bullish. We also have a quite of a cup and handle formation here. Cup handles, which should be a bullish movement up to around 46,000. The EMA ribbons, we're on the EMA ribbons, they are holding, which is bullish. VPVR, we have a lot of buying at the 38,700. I do think we could come down there to take liquidity, but I'm currently long on Bitcoin. Bitcoin indicator, the crypto guru bot is still showing a buy, which you get in the crypto master course, the link in the description. Bitcoin indicator bot fired a sell, and we had quite a big drop since that sell. It actually caught it nicely from 42,000 down to 40,000. EMA ribbons, though, are oversold, and in my opinion, that's the time to be buying when you're down here oversold. That's the main indicator that I use. Squeeze mob is going to the red side. Money flow is flowing out of Bitcoin on the 4 hourly. So a little bit of a difficult time prediction point to be predicting here. What I think the market maker, like what the technicals are showing, is that we should be moving up because the stochastic is overbought. We've got this W formation. We should be getting a movement to 46. But what the market maker and what I think is going to be happening is that we come down, take all this liquidity here at the 39,000, these orders here, take it, wick them out, get them all to sell, like get them liquidated, and then start to move up. And I still think that's what's going to happen. However, it's not such a big movement that I'm going to close my positions. I'm still long on Bitcoin. Let's turn off the VPVR and we'll do. There is a building of pressure here, and we're moving in this ascending wedge. Usually you move 70% of the wedge before you get a movement, which would be around the 18th of May that we should get a big movement for Bitcoin. And we're sitting in a range between these two areas here, 36,000, and this top of the range, 45,000. Let's go into the hourly, see what's going to happen for the next few hours. On the hourly, the stochastic is oversold, turning to head up, and we're building quite a lot of pressure here, and we're making higher lows, so quite bullish. Maybe the liquidity won't be taken at this $39,000 area. I still think that's what I would do as a market maker, but it doesn't look like that's happening. Bitcoin is looking quite bullish here, especially on the weekly. The main thing is on the weekly. It looks like we have bottomed out for Bitcoin, which is beautiful. Let's look at the other indicators as well. So I'm going to go into the trades and then show you my other indicators. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, there's links in the comment section down below. Go to the comments, and down below there's Bitcoin and altcoin trading. There's $8,200 worth of bonuses. If you sign up with Bybit, that's the main exchange I use. You sign up, you get a $4,100 bonus when you sign up and deposit Bitcoin, and that's the main trading software. I also use Femex, which you also get a $4,100 bonus. You can use NordVPN if you have any country restrictions. When you sign up to Bybit, in the comment section and description, go to this link. That will then open this software that I use for trading on Bybit. And in here I have $200,392, up $1,000 from the last video, but almost break even over the last few days. In here I've got $71,000 of Bitcoin, $65,000 of USDT, $36,000 of BIT, which is an altcoin I like. Cake is up a lot, 4.7%. I have almost $20,000 of Cake. Ape down quite a bit, down to $9.80. I did say at $15 that I think that would be where it would drop from. I have trades open. My Ethereum trade from earlier today is up $22. My Bitcoin trade from earlier today is down $21. So they're both around $5,000 trade, so it's almost breaking even on my trade. In my opinion, I think Bitcoin is going to start moving up on the weekly. On the daily, it's overbought, so we could come down and take all that liquidity at 38,000, and that's what I think is going to happen. On the 4 hourly, we're looking bullish. We're oversold, and it's building pressure. There is not much volume, so I wouldn't say that's amazing. We've got to go into other indicators. We've got to look at other assets to kind of figure out what's going to be happening. So let's look at Ethereum and then the total market cap of all cryptos. So on the total market cap of all cryptos, we're bullish on the hourly. We're bullish on the 4 hourly. So these are all the altcoins, the entire market. On the daily, we're overbought, so we could expect a pullback down to around here, 1.75 trillion before a big bounce. But I am starting to get bullish on the overall. Let's look at the indicators on the overall market cap of cryptos. So on the Crypto Guru bot, we're still showing a sell, which we entered on the daily in November 11th when I called the top, and it's still saying that we're selling. On the Bitcoin indicator bot, it's showing a buy recently, which is interesting. Let's look at Ethereum and see what Ethereum is telling us. Let's sort it by flags. Let's check out Ethereum. I bought BNB today. Let's look at Ethereum. On Ethereum, it's still saying a sell as well on the daily candles. On the indicator, the Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the master course, Bitcoin indicator bot is saying a buy on Ethereum. And on the daily, we are overbought as well. On the 4 hourly, we are still heading up. On the hourly, we're still heading up as well. I will still keep my longs open. I do think that we're going to have this market maker take all this liquidity. On Ethereum down here at 2,600, on Bitcoin at 39,000. But it is looking, there are some bullish signs. So I'm going to stay long on my longs. I've got 2 longs open on Bitcoin and Ethereum, almost even, and I'm going to keep open my trades. So that's what I'm doing in the market. Also today at this event, which was a very cool event, I met Akon. He's awesome, very nice guy. MCRT, the coins are starting to go out to all the investors. This is one of our studios that's building Magicraft, the play-to-earn game that I'm the founder of. These are some of the games or the companies that our development studio has worked with: Xbox, Total Rock, Obsidian, Rovio, amazing games from this company. Staking is coming to MCRT on the 25th. There's going to be a lot of staking options. I met 2 fans this morning, which is beautiful. MCR staking is on the 25th, and Magicraft NFT collection is coming out on the 31st, which is going to be epic. This was me at an event yesterday, which was very nice. I was nominated for Influence of the Year, and Chris won, which is amazing. Chris is one of the biggest influencers for crypto. This is us together. It was beautiful. And yeah, that's what I'm doing in my portfolio. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do using this Bitcoin trading Bybit link, and tomorrow in the next video, I'm going to open, depending on what Bitcoin does, I'm going to open a big long on Femex, I think, depending on what we see from Bitcoin. I'd love to know your opinions. What do you think is going to happen in the markets? Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you bullish on Bitcoin or are you bearish? Let me know. Write the word bullish if you think Bitcoin is going to be going up from now. Bearish if you think it's going to go down. You're an amazing group of people. At the moment, Bitcoin is moving sideways. There is strong volume, so I do think we're getting bottoming formations. That's why I'm starting to enter positions. I don't want to miss out on a big movement. And if Bitcoin can start to move up, this will be very nice, because then we can get a continuation of the bull run, which will be beautiful. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up. And this is James from Crypto Guru, your amazing community, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.